Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of retro living room decor, exploring how you can infuse timeless vintage charm into your space in 2025. Let's embark on this stylish journey together. Retro design draws inspiration from past decades, blending nostalgic elements with contemporary trends. In 2025, we're seeing a resurgence of mid-century modern aesthetics, characterized by clean lines, organic shapes, and functional design. Color plays a pivotal role in retro decor. This year, designers are embracing warm, inviting hues. Yellow is making a vibrant comeback, adding a cheerful touch to living spaces. Shades like Farrow & Ball's Citron or Sherwin-Williams' Convivial Yellow can infuse warmth and nostalgia into your room. Try adding yellow through accent walls, cushions, or decorative pieces. It brightens your space and evokes a sense of nostalgia without overpowering your decor. When selecting furniture, look for mid-century modern pieces. These are known for their durability and timeless appeal. Thrift stores are treasure troves for such finds. Keep an eye out for brands like Lane or Herman Miller. They're worth it. Even if a piece needs a bit of TLC, its quality and design make it a valuable addition. Restoring vintage furniture isn't just about saving money, it's about preserving history and adding unique character to your living room. Floral Upholstery is making a huge comeback in 2025. From bright and feminine to bold and graphic, modern interpretations of florals are everywhere. To keep the look fresh, mix florals with other patterns and textures. Don't be afraid to experiment with unexpected color palettes. This blend of patterns adds depth, personality, and charm, making your space uniquely yours. Flooring sets the foundation for your decor. This year, warm wood tones like honey browns and rustic blondes are replacing cooler shades. These tones bring warmth and coziness, complementing retro-inspired designs beautifully. Additionally, bold texture-rich rugs are making a comeback. They add comfort and a touch of vintage flair, perfect for tying the room together. Lighting is everything. It sets the mood and creates ambience. Vintage lamps with organic shapes do more than just illuminate, they make a statement. When thrifting, look for unique lighting fixtures that reflect mid-century designs. To complete the look, accessorize wisely. Vintage ceramics, wooden bowls, and abstract paintings add texture and visual interest, helping create a cohesive retro aesthetic. Want to make your space even more special? Add DIY personal touches. Create your own retro-inspired art or refurbish vintage furniture. It's fun, creative, and personal. These unique touches tell a story and make your living room one of a kind. Embracing retro decor in 2025 is all about blending the old with the new. The goal? To create a space that's nostalgic yet contemporary, timeless yet trendy. We hope these ideas inspire you to transform your living room into a stylish haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own retro decor tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching.